Someone said to me the other day, do you know you've got bottle openers on the bottom of your flip-flops? I said, yeah, I do know that. Boss, as it's 34 degrees, I think we should be able to have a beer today at work. Yeah, sure, no worries. So we're doing a video on an RS3. If you have an RS3 or anything with some chrome and you want it deleted, that's what this is about. 3M, high gloss, it's the best one around. All the chrome trim, window surrounds, there's some brushed silver bits around on the car. Door mirrors we've already done. We were gonna do the Alpine, but we decided to do this instead. So these were done this morning. I'm just starting on the bumper. Tools you need for a chrome delete if you want to do it yourself. Some vinyl, a squeegee. Primer pens, they're handy because you do lots of little niggly bits. This is essential, micro squeegee. A knife, some tweezers, don't ask, just nick the ones out the wife's drawer, she won't mind. And a heat gun, that's about all you need. Don't drop your knife if you're wearing flip-flops. I did that yesterday. It is so hot, isn't it? This is just like jelly. It is literally, you don't even need a heat gun. It's just, you can't even get the backing off of it without it gooing up. Is that a saying? Gooing up. Unfortunately, they're quite labour intensive, chrome deletes. You just have to, number one tip for chrome delete, have a sharp blade, because you'd always snag and pull the end of your material off. So this one here, I have had to sand it down. So had a little stone chip on it. So we've just taken the top off so that you don't see the bulge through the wrap. You'll still see a slight indent because it's now inverted instead of inverted? Exverted? I don't know. It's an innie, not an outie. Let's get this down. It is literally like rubber, like bubble gum. Right, so that's squeegeed in. That's new blade down that vent. And then what I've done on the top corner is I've cut it long so that I can tuck the corner in behind the vent. Do the same on the bottom. Right, now we just need to get this bit folded round the front. Again, a new blade. There we go. Onto the front. It needs to go in and under. It won't go that far. It's literally just got to go. You got enough to go round? Yeah. You need to yank it now though. Right, don't move. Thank you. I'm hot. I am leaking. Definitely everywhere, including places that you don't want to know. Oh, mate, it's hot. It's too hot, be it. I say we just sack this off and go to the pub. And just say to the customer, well, I won't lie, I'll just say I sacked it off, I've gone to the pub. All right, we need to get that tucked up in there as far as physically possible. And it's like just sticking everywhere, isn't it? It's just sticky, everything's sticky, everything. Vinyl, me. Right, I reckon that in is about as far in there. I couldn't live in a hot country.
You'd be accustomed to it and you'd have air conditioning.
I'd moan too much. I met someone that was from like a tropical place once and they were saying to me, it's not hot over here in terms of temperature, like Dubai, you got 50 degrees, Vegas, you got 50 degrees, but we've got no aircon. So it is hot. It's just like, in all these places that are really hot, you get out your car, which is air-conned, you go to the shopping centre, which is air-conned. Over here, we're too tight because the budget, oh, did I say that?
Goodbye, Kia.
He's gone, isn't he? You see that Jeremy Clarkson stuck him on top of his bonfire?
Yes.
I put knifeless tape under it and I didn't leave enough of a tail. There we go, I got it. I got it!
For knifeless accidents.
And this, I don't even need to post heat it, just go and park it outside. Be interesting to see, if you go and park it out there, that black car, let's go and do it. Let's go and get a thermometer gun and see how hot that is. A thermometer gun, I mean a temperatures thing. Right, I did this chrome delete yesterday. Customer is picking it up after hours. Let's find out. God, that's hot, isn't it? 56 degrees. All right, yeah, you do have to post heat it. It's not that hot. It's only 55 degrees. Ambient temperature, shut up. Yeah, it says the same, 47. That's track temperature though, isn't it? Didn't go in the bin. We got to wrap that soon. It's a big vessel. Oh, yeah, I'll pull that, make yourself useful. Thank you. I've had to ring the customer with the Alpine and say, I'm not doing your car. It's too hot. There's lots of stones in the back of this grill. I can feel them. All right, I need to get down low. Right, are you ready for the reveal? There you go, there's the reveal.
Oh la la.
Oh, that's done. Front, check. Door mirrors, check. Let's go and let's do some window surrounds. And then we'll do the rear diffuser, and then we'll send it, and we'll go to the boozer. I can't go to the boozer, I've got to get my little one. Primer, I'm just gonna put a little bit on here, and then I'm gonna put a little cap on the end. Sometimes, in the early days, I used to do these in one piece. And then I had lots of people come back and say, it's peeling. And then I found a different way to do it in one piece. That didn't work either. They just always seem to lift. Just on the, you can get it pretty much good, but they just lift right on the edges. So I just put a cap on the end of them now. Someone's gonna watch this video and go, it's because you're shit and you can't do it properly. Oh, I'm hot. Just put some strips on. Oh no, we're going to put some caps on first, aren't we? So I put a little cap on first, and then you can either use knifeless or you can use your knife if you're very careful. Lots of strips. I didn't take the cap sheet off before I did these caps, so now I've got to take the cap sheet off 4 times. Rubbish in pocket, stay tidy. So yeah, I'm doing it like this. There you go. Stick that on there. And if I hadn't shown you this, I don't think you would have ever seen it. I don't think you'd ever know that I did it in multiple pieces. But as I've said before, we are about longevity. 2 caps, because there's 2 ends. So it'd be interesting to see or hear about how many people do it in one bit versus how many people do it this way. I can't even get my wrap glove on in this weather. It's too sweaty. Right, how do you trim it? Knife in. Right, that bit trimmed. That bit trimmed. Oh, nearly. Right, and then what I do is I basically just trim it on the rad. So you don't want it down here because you'll see it under the thing. And then just score the material. And if you don't believe me, I could take this off and show you that there's no scratch under it. Ugh, there we go. Like that, 1 cap times a few more to do. Caps, done. My hand is just wet. I've already ISO'd it. Right, strip on. Remove backing. Oh dear. Pull a little bit, not a lot. Now what I've done is I've gone over the edge just a little bit. You see it? New blade. Where's my cage gone? Where have I put the cage? Where's the heat gun? Where's the cage? Where's the tweezers? Where's the micro squeegee? We told you it's hot. And now we're just going to run the blade on the edge of the trim. So poke it through, go up, poke it through, go down. And then, boom!
Sound like you're still in a duck.
Right, there we go. Anyone's got any problems with that, let me know. South Coast Wrapping, Matthew speaking.
The struggle is real, innit? Innit? Yeah.
This was before, and this is after. Yo, there we go. A sort of a quick fill-in video, but a nice, cost-effective, easy transformation. How much bang for your buck? Yeah. So, chrome delete, front splitter, side fins, pods, razors, air ducts, intakes, what would you call them?
Venturies.
Venturis. Door mirrors, window surrounds, and rear diffuser, or the grey pin stripe silver chrome rear diffuser, not the actual underneath bit, but the bit along the side. Remember to subscribe, like, see you later.